There is a common concern about vegetarian and vegan diets lacking the adequately amount of protein. Protein is a macronutrient that is important for building muscle mass. This video will go over the best plant-based protein sources for vegans and vegetarians. Chickpeas. Cooked chickpeas are high in protein because it contains roughly 7.25 grams per 1/2 cup. It can be eaten consumed hot and cold, as well as being highly versatile with lots of recipes available. They can, for example, be added to stews and also curries, or spiced with paprika and baked in the stove. Hummus, which is made from chickpea paste, can be added to a sandwich for a healthy, protein-rich replacement to butter. Quinoa. Quinoa is a high-protein grain content. When cooked, quinoa contains 8 grams of protein per cup. There are also other nutrients such as magnesium, iron, fiber, and manganese. This shows it is very versatile. Quinoa can replace pasta or rice, and it can also be sprinkled on a salad. Almonds. Almonds contain 16.5 grams of protein per 1/2 cup. The other nutrient value are vitamin E, which is great for the skin and eyes. Almonds are an easy, simple treat as it is, yet they can be combined into dishes. Try adding almond butter into a smoothie, sprinkle it over overnight oats. Make use of it as a dip for fresh fruit or as the base for power balls combined with add-ins like minced dried out fruit, cut dark chocolate, spices, and seeds. Oats. Oats are a great way to add protein to your diet. 1/2 cup, 120 milliliters, of dry oats contains approximately 6 grams of protein and 4 grams of fiber. This portion also contains good amounts of magnesium, zinc, phosphorus, and folate. However, oats are not regarded as a complete protein, although they do contain higher quality protein than other commonly consumed grains like rice and wheat. Oats can be used different recipes ranging from oatmeal to vegetarian burgers. Oats can also be ground into flour and used for baking, for example desserts like apple crumble topping. Tofu and edamame. Soy products is known as being the highest sources of protein in a plant-based diet. This is they provide the body with all the essential amino acids it needs. The protein content differences with how they are prepared. Tofu, soybean curds, contains about 10 grams of protein per 1/2 cup. Edamame beans, immature soybeans, contain 8.5 grams of protein per 1/2 cup. Tofu takes on the flavor of the dish it is prepared in so that it can be a versatile addition to a meal. Tofu can be used as a meat substitute in a favorite dish. Tofu can be the substitute in some dishes, for example kung pao chicken, sweet and sour chicken, or spaghetti bolognese. These soy products also contain substantial levels of calcium and iron, which makes them good substitutes for dairy products. Lentils. Both red or green lentils contain a high amount of protein, fiber, and important nutrients as well as iron and potassium. Cooked lentils contain 8.84 grams of protein per 1/2 cup. Lentils can be used different recipes, for example lentils curry, creamy mushroom, and black beluga lentil stew. This shows that lentils are a great source of protein and they can be added to a lunch or dinner meals. Ezekiel bread. Ezekiel bread is a nutrient-dense option to conventional bread. It is made from barley, wheat, lentils, millet, as well as spelt. Ezekiel bread is a superb selection for bread fans who desire an even more nutritious meal. Ezekiel bread supplies 4 grams of protein per piece. Get even much more protein by toasting Ezekiel bread and also spreading it with peanut or almond butter. Chia seeds. Seeds are low-calorie foods that are rich in fiber as well as heart-healthy omega-3 fatty acids. Chia seeds are a full source of protein that contain 2 grams of healthy protein per tablespoon. Add chia seeds to a shake, sprinkling them in addition to a plant-based yogurt, or soaking them in water or almond milk to make a dessert. Chia seeds can be bought from some grocery stores, organic food stores, or online. Green peas. The little green peas, often served as a side dish, contain 9 grams of protein per cooked cup, 240 milliliters, which is slightly more than a cup of milk. What's more interesting, a serving of green peas covers more than 25% of your daily fiber, vitamin A, C, K, thiamine, folate and manganese requirements. Green peas are also a good source of iron, magnesium, phosphorus, zinc, copper and several other B vitamins. You can use peas in recipes such as pea and mint soup, basil stuffed ravioli, Thai-inspired pea soup or pea and avocado guacamole. Final point. Vegetarian or vegan diet can provide you with all of your nutrients you require. However, it's necessary to do planning and research to ensure the nutritional needs are fulfilled. This could benefit some people because it encouraged them to be aware of the nutritional content of the foods they consumed. On the other hand, some people could see this as an issue and eventually lead to nutritional deficiency. Thank you for watching.